Now let's look at the returns tab in the asset details screen a little more in detail. Returns tab shows you the rate of return of your investment. In Kubera, it's called the IRR, internal rate of returns. IRR is the best way to measure the rate of return if you have multiple contributions and withdrawals in an investment, along with the time factor of your investment. So let's look at it from a real estate asset point of view. And so my cash in is the amount that I have used to I have paid to purchase the asset, and from then onwards I have cash ins and cash out. So for example, if I've given the property on rent, the rent will be cash out, and if I paid more money towards maintenance and property tax, they'll be cash in. And all these years I've been entering it, and based on this information and along with what the current value of the asset, Kubera calculates the IRR of this investment, so that I know whether this was a good investment or not. And of course it compares with the popular indexes. The good part about the returns tab, where you enter the cash flow for this asset and to find out the IRR, is that it works for all kinds of assets. It doesn't matter whether it is a real estate, stock, crypto, or private investments. Whatever it is, you have to just come and say what is your cash in towards the asset, and if at all you have withdrawn any money from the investment, which is your cash out, you just enter them and the dates, and Kubera can calculate the IRR. It doesn't matter what the asset type is. Just to make it clear, cash in here is the money that you have invested to the asset as well as the expenses incurred by the asset. And cash out is the money you have withdrawn or the income the asset has generated. So for a real estate asset, the money I paid to buy the asset could be cash in, or it could be the expenses, the maintenance expenses, or the tax I paid for the asset could also be cash in. Cash out is if I sell the asset and if I get money, that will be a cash out, or it could even be the rental income that I get from this asset. If you take stocks, the dividends will also be cash out. I don't have to necessarily sell the asset to enter a cash out here.